Good morning, Michelle Shine here. Yes, it's May, and yes, I'm in a hat. Not very happy about it, but whatever, it's cold. Today's question is, how fast does information travel along in your nervous system? And I'm going to answer that by asking you another question. When you open your eyes in the morning, do you have to wait before you can see? No. And if someone is talking to you, is there a time delay? Like, do you see their lips moving? And then you hear them talk? No. It seems like it's all instantaneous, and that's because impulses travel so fast along your neurons. So we have these neurons and they have these long projections called axons. And the rate of impulse conductivity depends on the thickness of the axon, as well as whether the axon is covered with what we call a myelin sheath. So impulses that are traveling down axons that are relatively thin without the myelin sheath travel at about 0.5 meters per second, which is still pretty fast. That's like 2 feet a second. So it's moving very quickly, and sometimes enough for us not really to notice much of a time delay. Other neurons, those that might be associated with skeletal muscle, motor neurons that would cause us to move our hand really, really quickly away from a hot burner, those axons are thicker. And they're coated with this covering that we call a myelin sheath, which allows the impulse to jump. And so if the impulse can jump like that, it significantly increases the rate of impulse conductivity to the point of up to, now get this, 120 meters per second. That is a football field and then some. That's how fast that impulse can move. So that's why if you move your hand off of a burner really fast, it's like you did it way before it even registered in your brain that you were touching something hot, because those axons are thick and covered in myelin sheaths. I hope you enjoyed today's fun science fact as much as I enjoy giving it to you. Enjoy your day. Namaste.